Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. If you love a warm, welcoming Christmas vibe, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the cozy world of fireplace decor, focusing on mantel styling that feels festive, inviting, and easy to recreate. No matter the size of your room or the style you adore, modern, traditional, rustic, or somewhere in between, this guide will give you practical ideas you can adapt with what you already own. Think of this as a color story, a texture story, and a light story all wrapped into one mantel makeover. First, a quick word about safety. If your fireplace is in use, keep fabric, ribbons, garlands, and paper away from the flames and heat sources. Use LED lights and flameless candles whenever possible. This keeps the look luminous and cozy without the worry. If you do light a real flame, ensure there's a clear space around the hearth and never leave it unattended. Now that we've got safety out of the way, let's begin with planning the scene. Step 1. Set a color theme. Picture a calm, cohesive palette that can guide every element you add. Classic Christmas often leans into greens, reds, and warm metallics like gold or brass. A modern twist might be white, green, and copper. A rustic vibe could rely on natural greens, wood tones, and earthy reds. The exact shades aren't as important as creating harmony across garland, stockings, candles, ornaments, and even the surrounding wall color. In the first image you'll see a fireplace with a deep green garland, warm white lights, and matte black picture frames. Simple, elegant, and instantly holiday ready. As you watch, notice how this palette makes the room feel timeless rather than themed for one season. Step 2. Start with a garland you love. A garland is the backbone of the mantel. It wraps around the edges, adds texture, and provides a natural place for ornaments. You can opt for a lush, full evergreen garland or a more curated look with slim, tapered branches. If you have a long mantel, consider doubling the garland or layering two strands of different textures, one classic evergreen and one with a touch of berry accents or pine cones. In the second image, a full garland drapes over the mantel with a gentle cascade on both sides, giving off a generous, holiday glow. The garland acts like a stage for everything else you'll place on the mantel, so choose one that feels substantial but not overpowering. Step 3. Layer lighting for warmth. Lighting is what makes the space feel magical. Use a mix of soft, warm LEDs, tiny string lights tucked into the garland, a couple of larger lanterns with flameless candles, and perhaps a single glowing statement piece such as a small star or snowflake-shaped light. The goal is a warm, even glow rather than bright spots. In the images you'll see, the garland is stitched with amber lights, which cast a gentle luminance across the mantel and reflect off metallic accents for a festive sparkle without glare. Step 4. Balance greenery with structure. After you've added the garland and lights, introduce structure with symmetrical accents or a carefully placed focal piece. If you prefer symmetry, place identical items on both ends of the mantel, stockings hung with care, matching lanterns, or paired picture frames. If your space is more eclectic, use a single focal object in the center, perhaps a wreath leaning against the wall or a large, decorative mirror framed by greenery. The visuals in the fourth photo show a central wreath anchored by two slim decision makers on each side. The balance creates a calm rhythm across the mantel. Remember, balance is about weight, not necessarily exact mirrors of each side. Step 5. Add stockings and personal touches. Stockings bring instant Christmas charm and a sense of tradition. Arrange stockings in a row with even spacing and consider using hangers or hooks that complement the rest of your decor. If you have children or a beloved pet, you can personalize a couple of stockings with names or initials. In the sample image, 3 stockings hang beneath the garland, each one coordinating with the color story: green with gold trim, red with a black cuff, and a cream with copper accents. Personal touches like framed family photos, small keepsakes, or handmade ornaments can also be tucked into the garland for a storybook effect. Step 6. Choose a focal piece for the center. A well-chosen centerpiece can pull the entire look together. This could be a wreath mounted above the mantel, a large decorative sign with a Christmas message, a vintage mirror reflecting the twinkle of lights, or an oversized lantern cluster. In the reference image, a large wreath sits centered above the mantel, its greenery echoing the garland below, while a framed print and a few pine cones add texture without crowding the space. If you opt for a wreath on the wall, make sure it's easily visible from the couch or chair where you'll spend most of your time. Step 7. Bring in natural textures. Nature-inspired elements like pine cones, dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and wooden accents introduce warmth and aroma. Cluster a few pine cones along the garland or in a small tray on the hearth for an organic touch. The natural textures pair beautifully with metallic ornaments or glass baubles that catch the light. On screen, you'll notice pine cones tucked along the garland and a wooden tray holding a couple of lanterns and a small bowl of ornaments. The interplay of textures, from glossy glass to rough wood to soft greenery, keeps the eye moving in a pleasing, holiday-appropriate way. Step 8. Add color pops with ornaments and ribbons. If your palette is neutral, small pops of color can give the mantel a festive zing without overwhelming the space. Metallic accents in gold or copper add luxe warmth, red or emerald accents can provide classic Christmas energy. In the photos, a handful of ornaments in gold and copper are placed sparingly along the garland, while a satin ribbon bridge ties the whole look together. You don't need to cover every inch with baubles. Instead, aim for purposeful clusters that catch the eye and then let the greenery breathe. Step 9. Think about the hearth as a stage, not a border. The space at the bottom of the mantel, or the hearth itself, often gets overlooked. You can treat the hearth as a stage for a small scene. A couple of lanterns with LED candles, a stack of wrapped gifts in coordinating paper, and a few natural elements like a bundle of eucalyptus tied with jute. If you have a larger hearth, a low-profile display with stacked books, a tray, and a few seasonal figurines can create a cozy tableau. In the demonstration image, I see a simple stack of decorative logs, a tray with a candle centerpiece, and a few sprigs of greenery that echo the garland above. It's enough texture to satisfy the eye without clutter. Step 10. Layer with height and variety. Use different heights to create visual interest. Vary the heights of the objects on the mantel: tall candlesticks, mid-height frames, and low trays. This approach prevents a flat look and helps guide the viewer's eye across the full mantel. The visuals show a gentle progression from tall to short across the mantel, with lights weaving in and out to unify the arrangement. Step 11. Consider your ceiling and walls. If your mantel sits under a tall ceiling or near an expansive wall, you have a unique opportunity to extend the Christmas story beyond the mantel. Consider hanging a simple garland on the wall directly above the mantel or placing a few hanging pinecone ornaments from the ceiling hooks. In the footage, a slender garland on the wall mirrors the mantel garland, creating a cohesive sweep of greenery that stretches upward, making the room feel taller and more immersive. Step 12. Final touches and keeping it fresh. After you've assembled your mantel, step back and view it from multiple angles. Are there any gaps that feel off balance? A quick spritz of pine-scented spray, or simply a fresh spritz of water on real greens, can revive the scent and the look. If you're planning photos or hosting, consider doing a quick styling pass a few hours before guests arrive to ensure everything sits perfectly. And if you're using real greens, remember to rotate or refresh as needed to keep everything looking vibrant through the season. A few extra tips to tailor this to your space. If you're short on mantel width, keep your garland simple and concentrate your focal piece in the center. For modern rooms, choose a restrained palette of green, white, and metallic. Avoid too many different textures. For traditional rooms, embrace richer reds, deeper greens, and lots of natural wood accents. If you have kids or pets, place delicate decorations where they won't be tugged or knocked over, and consider using battery-operated elements to avoid cords showing. Let me summarize with a quick checklist you can use in your own home. Decide on a color palette and keep it consistent across garland, stockings, ornaments, and ribbons. Start with a strong garland and layer lights and greenery for depth. Add a central focal piece and balance with symmetrical accents if that suits your space. Include personal touches to make the mantel a family story, not just a decoration. Use LED lighting and flameless candles to keep things safe around heat. Finish with natural textures and a few pops of color for holiday charm. If you're watching this with a photo sequence, you might notice how each image builds on the previous one, gradually moving from simple to more layered, from minimal to richly festive. The key is to maintain harmony, avoid overcrowding, and let the warmth of the lights do the heavy lifting. A well-decorated mantel should feel both inviting and timeless, something you'll enjoy day after day and year after year. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel inspired to try a Christmas mantel makeover in your own living space. If you enjoyed this guide, please like the video, share it with a friend who loves cozy decor, and subscribe for more holiday decorating ideas and home tips every week. If you have questions or want to share your mantel photos, drop a comment below. I'd love to see how your space comes to life. Happy decorating, and may your holiday season be bright and warm.